Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Buju Banton makes a surprise guest appearance on Lennox's tour. American R&B singer Lennox brought out the Grammy-winning reggae artist during one of the stops on her Vacancy tour to perform their track, Company. Shared a snippet of the performance on her Instagram account with the caption, "A legend. Thank you so much, Buju, for coming out." The reggae icon responded saying, "It was a joy. What a vibe. Ari, you rock." Protege releases the visuals for Something I Said with Jesse Royal.
All praise to the Most High. So far, so good. Not take no check from no guy. Show me which man would.
On Thursday, the Grammy-nominated singer released the visuals for the track, which is featured on his recently released project, The Art of Acceptance, which debuted inside the top 10 of the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The video captured the spirit of reflection, resilience, and spiritual grounding that defines the album's core message.
Get good, then go for great. Don't hate, congratulate. Work hard and change your fate. Don't hate, congratulate.
Now, on the international scene, Shakira and BTS set to headline the first ever FIFA World Cup halftime show. In an Instagram post, FIFA shared that the halftime show supports the FIFA Global Citizen Education Fund, a landmark initiative working to raise $100 million to expand access to quality education and football for children around the world. Throughout the tournament, $1 sold from every ticket sold at the FIFA World Cup 2026 matches will be donated to the fund. The show is curated by Chris Martin of Coldplay, who hinted at the surprise performances in a promo video with the Muppets.
Oh, Chris,
Yes,
will the show have any surprises?
Absolutely.
Surprise!
Animal.
Earlier this month, Shakira teased the official song for the 2026 World Cup, which features Nigerian singer Burna Boy.
From the day you were born, here in this place.
The final is scheduled for July 19 at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey. World Cup 2026 begins on July 11 in Mexico City and will have matches played in several locations in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. Now, Beyonce and Taylor Swift have new honors alongside their names. Their work have been included in the 2026 lineup of the Library of Congress National Recording Registry. It includes Swift's 1989 album and Beyonce's song Single Ladies Put a Ring on It. Some other artists on the list with their individual works recognized are Go-Go's, Weezer, Vince Gill, and Paul Anka. Another new addition is the original cast of The Chicago. Roxanne Cash's induction for her album The Wheel is history-making. She and Johnny Cash are the registry's only father-daughter duo. And that's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. See you next time.